Did you know that in construction, almost every product used is going to require a physical sample be sent to the architect for approval? Do you know why they're so important? Let me show you. Check out these insulated samples from Guardian. Each one of these has its own coating, performance, and tint. An architect designs a building with a specific vision in mind, so they have to make sure that all of the physical samples are exactly what they imagined it would look like. In the glazing world, samples help us prove to the architect that we're using the right products. The architect then uses them to make sure that his vision is coming together and everything looks good together. And the general contractor gets to make sure that everything that shows up on site is the right product. Plus, they're a lot of fun to play with and learn from. Big shout out to Guardian for supplying these samples for us to use for this video. And to learn more about glass, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button at the bottom. I'll see you in the next video.